the best free video editing apps for iPhone. Want to create professional looking videos right from your iPhone without spending a dime? Today I'll show you the top free video editing apps for iPhone, perfect for Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikToks or full videos. So let's get started. First up, at number 1 we have CapCut. This is hands down one of the most popular free editors out there. You get timeline editing, AI auto captions, text to speech, keyframe animations, viral templates, and it's completely free. Next up, we have VN Video Editor, perfect for beginner to advanced user. It offers multi-layer timeline, custom transitions, speed ramping, no watermark, and pro-level editing tools all on your phone. Coming in strong, in short, it's great for quick edits like trimming, splitting, adding text and music. While some features are premium, the free version is more than enough for Instagram or TikTok. For Apple fans, don't forget about iMovie. It's completely free and beginner friendly with built-in transitions, themes, and easy drag and drop editing. And last but not the least, we have Splice. This one's great for cinematic edits, ton of music, filters, and video effects. Perfect if you're aiming for high quality look. So that's it. These are the top 5 best free iPhone video editors.